What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter change on a Mustang Mach-E. This is a 2021 model here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right-hand side, we're going to see this dampening arm right here, and we need to pull that off like that. Now there's these two tabs, one on either side. You need to press those in. After you press those in, it'll allow the glove box to come down. And this glove box can come all the way off, or you can just leave it hanging like that. Now let's take a closer look under here. All right, so we see this item right here. This is the access door to the cabin filter. And there's two tabs, one on both sides, that we need to press like that. Press out. Come over here and press out. And then that's going to allow this door to come down. And this one has this wire bundle up here that I push up just a little bit in order to get that door to clear it. Yours may or may not be that way. And then we can see our actual filter right here. And I'm not going to replace this one right now, but when you put your new one in, just make sure you have your airflow going down. So airflow going down, and then you're going to reverse everything we just did to close it up. Close this, make sure that's snapped all the way shut on both sides, make sure it's completely closed. And then we can grab our glove box and push it up, and then come over here and reattach that dampening arm. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.